This next series is the Articles of Confederation. Since I will be publishing them each section as I complete them, I do not know at this time how many sections there will be. So this is the first of, I don't know. The nation's first constitution is a better constitution than what is taught about it. The Articles of Confederation, a dissection, simplifying government by design. This page changed with a September 2025 edit. The Articles of Confederation, a dissection. This is a dissection of the full text of the Articles of Confederation, the nation's first constitution. The key highlights are marked with K notes. This Constitution, the Articles of Confederation, is important to know. It helps comprehend how the founding generation viewed government. It also helps clarify various elements of the Constitution of the United States of America, such as where some changes benefited the governed people. This includes topics like that of where the militia and military-style arms were stored, going from public stores under the Articles to potentially every household in the nation under the Constitution of the United States of America, Amendment 2. And then, where some of those changes proved harmful to the governed people but beneficial to the politicians, this includes changes in term limits. Under the Articles of Confederation, no person served back-to-back terms, in one, out one. This eliminated perpetual campaigning while in office. Under the present Constitution, it allows back-to-back terms for as long as an individual could appear to be reelected. This encourages the politicians to spend their entire term in office campaigning for re-election. More on these topics later. K-notes is where the annotations are placed and appear in this indented format. Sometimes to simply define a word from the 1756 dictionary set. In this instance, the dictionaries by Samuel Johnson. Remember, Webster's did not publish his first dictionary until 1806, nearly 30 years after the 1777 congressional adoption and the eventual 1781 ratification of the Articles of Confederation by the states.